Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, if the only chert and flint and quartz that you have is something that's too dull to use, you can use bipolar percussion to sharpen those edges up, or to even knock off another flake to use. And it doesn't take a very big flake to use with your steel. Let me show you how I do it with these two rocks right here. And you can see that they're well used. I do recommend that you wear your shades. Let's go ahead and make some good sharp quartz and chert. This is an anvil stone and a hammer stone. And I go from point to point. Whatever looks like a point to point. Believe it or not, that's a big enough flake to get it done. And you can see those sharp edges on there. That's all you need. And that's all we need. Do a comparison with the full-size piece. So now we have all these sharp edges, and then we have the sharp edges that we made on the big piece. Let's go try them out. Alright. Char cloth today is going to be terry cloth material. And I always like to tear it in half. You see all of these threads here. That's what catches those sparks. You don't want to compress them either. You want to leave them fluffed out like that. Alright, now that was this piece of chert. Let's try the other backup piece of chert that I brought over here. This is even tinier. That one is even tinier. Let's try it. Let me reposition this piece. I need to be more on this point right here. Now, that should be different. Watch this. You don't have to make it that hard on yourself. I just want you to know that those tiniest of shards of chert or flint or quartz will work. But of course we could use the sharp edges that we just made by knocking those flakes off of there on the big piece. Right. Tiny. Let's try our quartz. That quartz ignited it like it should be ignited. Alright, and lastly, we'll take and dump out our charred punkwood and cast sparks down on top of it. Now yes, you can cast sparks down into the char tin, but I just always have liked dumping my charred punkwood out and casting down on top of it. What's probably going to happen is one of these small little pieces are going to ignite, and I'll pick it up and put it on top of the bigger piece. And I did not notice that that's already ignited. Maybe we can go back and look at the video and tell which spark ignited that. Alright, y'all. Remember the bipolar technique. You'll never be without sharp edges again. Thanks for for joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.